show that 1 plus e to the power I 2 theta is equal to e I theta cosine theta. So for this, right, what I can do is I'm going to so-called like do the half angle because I'm going to cut my angles into half. So there's always a common trick to this, right? Basically, I'm going to factorize out e to the power I theta. Then I have e to the power negative I theta plus e to the power I theta inside. Right, and because eventually I'm trying to show this, right, so I'm trying to show this is my endpoint, right? So it really means that, you know, I need to factorize out e to the power I theta, and within this portion, getting from here to here, right, it really means that I need to change into a Cartesian or the polar form, right? So not Cartesian but the polar form, and we need to begin with the end in mind. So let's try. We're going to split this up. This is negative. This portion is going to give me I sine a negative theta, and this portion is going to give me plus cos theta plus I sine theta. And you know that this is just equals to negative of I sine theta. This is equals to cosine of theta. So these two is going to cancel each other out, and you're going to be left with just ei theta, and within you are left with 2 cosine theta, and the answer turns out to be 2 ei theta cos theta. Alright, and that's all for A part, question 8a. So 8b, right, we have the complex number. This complex number is q equals to e to the power I theta and 1 minus e to the power I theta, right? Then I need to find the real part of q. So most likely we need to start changing this into some polar form or Cartesian form where we can recognize the real part easily. Right, so let's try to do it. One approach again to take the half angle. I'm going to try to split it up. I'm going to take out e negative pi over 2 I pi over 2. Right? So why? Because it's going to help me to find the real portion. Right? And this is just equals to ei theta over 2. Denominator. The denominator. Alright, we know this portion is going to be cancelled off, right? Because this and this will cancel off to give me I theta over 2, right? Then I'm going to be left with, for my denominator, I'm just going to be left with, see, this is cosine, based on this, cosine negative theta over 2, plus I sine negative theta over 2, minus, okay, this portion is going to give me cosine theta over 2, minus, so it's going to be minus I sine theta over 2 as well. Alright, and again, this and this are going to cancel off. I'm just going to be left with e to the power I theta over 2 negative 2I sine theta over 2. If I try to rationalize this, right, cancel, this becomes I square, become negative 1. I will be left with ei theta over 2 sine theta over 2. Okay, and what would that give me? Okay, simplifying that, you know that it's just on top it's going to be cosine ei theta over 2 is just going to be cosine theta over 2 plus I sine theta over 2 over 2 sine theta over 2. Alright, which is going to give me eventually you will simplify it, just simplify it. And this portion is going to give you like this portion is going to give you the cotangent, right? So to give you like half plus I, half cotangent theta 2. So I'm going to let you work it for a second. You can see that this is the real part of Q, and this is the imaginary part of Q.